Hey, Anton here from GT Canada. Today we're going to be replacing the rear struts on the hatch of this 2007 Honda Odyssey. I've got the new one already. I've already replaced one, so I'm going to be doing the other one. But I'm going to walk you quickly through how to do this. So this is definitely shot. They should not move like this. Very, very, very easy. You can do it yourself with a flat blade screwdriver and a new part and a hockey stick or any other kind of pole, a broom handle or something like that would work too. But you need something that's going to hold that up in the air. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to need to do is pop these off. And these have just a little, it's filthy, but there's a little tab right here that you can get a screwdriver into, and you just twist that, and then when you twist it, it'll release the strut, so it pulls right out. Just like that. So you can see now my strut, my van door doesn't want to stay up, so I'm going to put my hockey stick in. So you can see my van door doesn't want to stay up. So I'm just going to put my hockey stick in like that. That's going to hold it in place while I get the rest of the strut off and get the new one on. This side was probably okay. And the reason I think that is because as soon as I popped it off, the door started to fall. So it is still firm, but since I got a new one, I'm going to replace it at the same time anyway. So again, I'm just going to release this lever like this, and then it just pops right off. So it's not violent. Just make sure that you have something holding that door up, or it's going to get very painful. And then the new one goes on similarly. This particular one goes with the fat part at the top, so pay attention to the orientation, and it's just going to pop on. Just like that. Now it's on. You don't have to move anything or slide anything. It's already on. So you'll notice the bottom here is not going to line up with that. It's not the same height. So all I'm going to do is lift the door up while I get ready to push it on. So I'm going to lift the door up. The hockey stick's going to hit me in the face. Just get it lined up with the hole and push it on. And just like that, that's in place. And just like that, this door is fixed. I can put it down, it'll lift back up, and when I push the button, it should close all by itself because it's fixed. One thing you don't ever want to do if you've got a power lift gate, do not replace or do not make it lift with the struts if they're bad, because it will break your motor and then it won't lift anymore. So there you go, no more broken struts, and this took me less than 2 minutes. Hey, thanks for watching another GT Canada video. We got lots of great stuff in store, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can stay up to date on all the latest stuff as we upload it. Comment below and watch the next video.